This is zboymntbn. Previously on Akong Life.
Hello! Unsa masakit ang tuliyak?
That is not
Ipakita ko na yung yaksa in front of camera. I need to judge people like, oh my god, that's my brother.
In a cliff, like,
What the fuck?
it's the
The
husband.
first time, it's like, fuck. I'm like, dad is like, yeah, go, jump. Like, you know, if you can swim, then yeah, jump. Die.
And I will say 3, 2, 1, then you open your eyes and look at my bed on my studio right there. What I did. Sige. 1, 2, what the? Okay, just look at it. Okay, what can you say about it? Ito guys, akong mama and papa, you know, something like confront me about
631 straight for Montebon. Katong sa una pa guys, kaya nauyap guys pa. So nag-internet. I love you bro. I love you. Me from Kinako to Tawis.
Yo guys, this is Zboy. We're here at mall with my bro because mananaw mi sa among favorite movie, which is the Avengers Infinity War. And kauban na mo si Janjan, pero si Janjan no dili man gud na siya typical nga matanaw sa Avengers Infinity War guys. Aba, 2 PM. Ay kaning sa 4, Cinema 4. So mag 3 PM ta. Mag 3 PM guys, kaya 2 PM naman dahil karon. So karon guys, malit lang sa muna og pakaon because we have 1 hour. 1 hour guys. So we're here at the supermarket guys and we are buying some snacks. Ito ba? Kano ba kayo nuno karon? Ang ginakong gigakol sa'yo. Ayan, gana ba sa... Unsa man ni mga dong? Kay 2 hours ng movie ba ito? Walker, nagkita na naman tayo. Buwat na lang sa alas 3 sa mga gitagaw ka salida. Awkward. So manalamin sila mga gibuhat. Ay, crew paper lagi. Crew paper. Crew paper. Ay, tabanog. Ay, tabanog. Ay. Oh my god, they're making kites. Kites! First time pa na akong magsili guys, unsan ay may sirang unya na nabayad, hindi ko matasalita.
Kasi na yung magkakakandakan. Bayad yung sir, ticket yung sir.
Muna ka ba? Litin niya. Oh my god, excited na yung ko sa kanakuan. Avengers. Pero akong favorite ka rin doon, nausap na. Iron Man ako. Because of the beard. Ikaw?
Si Groot.
Shit, this is crazy, right? So before, una juga mo tanaw ka ng Avengers Infinity War. Maglihisa ka, man. Maglihisa. Hey guys, we're here. We're so here. Ayan, hindi pa siya nagsa-start. We're fucking here. Nasa pinaka-side kami. I don't know if nakirinig niyo yung boses ko. But this is such a crazy thing. Guys, after that 2-hour movie, di ko talaga napigilan, no? Hindi ko napigilan hindi ko napigilan maihi talaga. So, umihi talaga ako after ng movie.
So ayun po, napupukan po ako.
Papapicture po ako dyan. Kasi I want that ano po talaga Avengers stuffs po eh. Yay! Avengers Infinity War ba kay ang kuan bitaw niya kanang ang content niya ba kay igor sa jud makasatisfy sa tao ba? Sakto sa jud ba nga wala jud makapildi ni Thanos ba ya kay naa na Infinity Stone so murag ila jud kipanindigan mga kusgan jud to mga Infinity Stone. Murag kuan jud sa kaayo ba? I love the movie. Thumbs up to the makers. Grabe, grabe. May mag-elevator may.
kidding.
Why you go down? Go down man, dude. Mao naman eh. Mao naman eh. Kuan.
Those.
Face toast.
Power.
Uy, dugay, uy.
Thank you. Charcoal ulit.
Looking at the nature stuff, it's so fucking weird. Can you? Watching to that, art stuffs is not my thing. Look at these guinea pigs in a pet store. I always wanted a police lights in my face.
Hi guys!
Yo guys, this is zboymntbn signing off for this video. If you like this video, click thumbs up, tweet me at zboymntbn, and anything else to add, Feds?
Bye!
Bye bye!